Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani, and let's get started with the morning market brief. Well, Nifty shut sharp 17,293, 2.35% up. Nifty Bank 39,267, 2.9% up. So 2.3% gains on Nifty and 2.9% gains on Nifty Bank was observed before the Dasera day. Yesterday we had a holiday. Looking at the SGX, 133 points gain, 17,293, now quoting at 17,426 SGX Nifty futures. So clearly, that is suggestive of a positive start. Looking at the charts, 17,500 happens to be a resistance point. 17,800 is the next resistance. On the support zone, we have 17,200, which is acted as a major support. 17,000 and 16,800. Looking at the OI picture of futures, we witnessed a short covering on Tuesday. So it looks like there could be a potential for longs coming in today. Let's see how that pans out and whether Nifty is able to sustain above the 17,500, 17,800 zone. Then we could catapult above the 18,000 mark. Looking at the OI picture, you have 17,200 as a major support zone and 17,000. Looking at the put writing on the calls front, you have 17,500 and 17,800 as the major resistance points. 17,200 is the max pain level from of Nifty. Considering the Bank Nifty charts now, 39,290 thereabouts we shut chop. So 39,500, 40,000 happens to be the stiff levels. On the lower side, we have major support zone slightly a tad below 38,000. That's a major support zone for Bank Nifty. Looking at the OI picture of futures, you had certain amount of short covering. And now let's see if the longs emanate along with Nifty starting out on the positive terrain. As far as the OI picture is concerned, from the options end, 39,500, 40,000 happen to be the strong levels on the higher side. 39,000 and 38,500 happen to be the strong levels. And then followed by 38,000, which I mentioned already, a tad below 38,000. The charts also indicating that. Bank Nifty 39,000 happens to be the max pain level. Looking at the top gainers and losers, M&M Finance, IDFC First Bank, and L&T Financials. Clearly, there is NBFC and private banks which have gained. GSP, L, Power Grid, Motherson were the losers. Well, contribution from the index components. I think one of the major component was private banks, 109.2 points, followed by 62.75 points from IT, 61.42 points from NBFCs, 34 points from oil, all in the positive territory, all sectors in the positive territory. So on the longs, we have Bank Nifty stocks, FMCG, Infra Media. On the short side, there is no stocks as such. Looking at the specific stocks, you have AB Capital on the positive tinge. So 120 happens to be a resistance point, followed by 125. Supports being 110, 105, and 103.50 is another level. So keep a watch on this. There could be a possibility of a move on the higher side. Again, we repeat, there's a possibility of a move on the higher side above 120. We are seeing longs and shorts had happened at on September 11th. So since then, there is no short position in this counter. Looking at the OI picture from the options end, 115, 120 happen to be the two levels And then 125 on the higher side happens to be the next resistance point. The other stock which we have, which is looking positive, is LIC Housing Finance. 420 happens to be the current market price. 435 plus levels. I think there could be a march to 455, 450 odd levels. Of course, that depends a wee bit on the Nifty, Bank Nifty also, how they evolve during the European markets, right? And looking at the LIC housing, we have not seen shorts on September 11th here also. So there is a possibility of longs coming in further. Looking at the OI picture, you have 420, 450 happens to be the two major levels on the higher side. On the lower side, 400 happens to be the major support zone where put writing has happened. On the ban list, there is no records found, no stocks in the ban list as of now. Before summarizing, I would like to highlight to you that please follow a strict stop loss on your trades. And we have AB Capital, LIC Housing both on the buy side today. So that's that. Please follow a strict stop loss while trading. Please consult your financial advisor. I would recommend that. Okay. Wish you happy trading. That's it from my side. Thank you.